We're shaking the cans. If you've got an object you can bring that symbolises the degrading processes at your...
What a brick!
If anyone could prize that piece of concrete out of the ground, that would be...
So we've got to grab something, do we?
Yeah.
We are, you want something that...
Well, I was thinking of a chainsaw, but no one wants to spray paint a chainsaw.
You haven't got one.
There's cow poo.
No.
Here, over that. Walk towards those blue cars, you'll find cow poo.
That really...
A nice whole one.
Yeah, it doesn't have to be big. Find an intact. Anyone got a knife?
Sort of finding items that lead to degradation and highlighting them in blue, you know, so...
Arrange them around the tree and we're going to put our hands in amongst them. It's a statement that our activities as bush regenerators are actually a creative act rather than simply a technical act. Our work as bush regenerators can be considered an art activity.
There is a lot of science to it, but every practitioner has different perspectives and brings something different to their regen project. So I really do feel like there is a bit of an art to it, and we're sculpting landscapes.
That's
right. So
and
really,
one of the arguments against this being art is that it's indistinguishable from a technical activity, or indistinguishable
from a natural activity in the end, because what we want to achieve is something indistinguishable from what would occur in nature. But that doesn't make it ineligible to be an art activity, because we want this activity to be technically a high standard using best practices, and we also want the activity to be indistinguishable from nature. What it signifies is that it's a co-creative act with the rest of nature, and we are now making a positive creative statement in doing it. We want it not just to be our own individual site. It's got to be more than just our individual site, because this work has to include lots and lots of sites. It's bigger than any individual site, and it has to include all of us. So that's my statement.
Flower? Oh, flower. Keep the flower.
Yeah, and make sure you get all the leaves.
Wind's going this way.
okay.
What's that thing?
All the gold. I'll paint Florence. The gold in the paddock.
There you go, that'll dry and then and then turn it over. So we'll do it
We'll do after, maybe the hands after. Green, yeah, this bill.
Yes.
This needs a bit more blue here, thank you.
Someone get that thistle over.
Yeah.
Yeah, well, let's do the hand photo now.
Do you want to put your hands in the photo?
We could put hands
All the way around it, Tein, or
all
with
the
no
way
shadow?
around it.
Well, that's
These
lovely.
are the hands that actually
We
do
need
the
more
work.
hands.
Yes.
We need more. Anywhere in particular,
You've got
Virginia?
textures
that's
happening,
great.
haven't you? Oh, the red.
Just pretend you're doing yoga.
Yeah.
Down face.
Downward dog.
I think we need to come in closer.
Closer.
Much closer. You can even sort of
Touch them.
obscure them.
This is counted as a COVID era. So
Oh, this lovely little child
Galley.
is blue hat. He's but his blue eyes, but the same colour blue. Yeah, perfect. You keep your hands up there, love. Yes, thank you.
That's it. Like yoga pose.
Oh, hail the tree!
All hands on deck. Virginia, this is a great angle here. If you could.
Yeah. Hold your pose. Hold your pose. Just like modelling.
It is modelling.
This is almost like when we had art
Chris is
down
laughing
a
too
creek.
much. He's telling you that story.
Sorry?
Nothing, that's okay.
What?
Keep going.
What? Are we supposed to be quiet?
No. No, we're not.
Still photography, thankfully.
That's bloody fabulous.
Where's Florence?
Okay, I declare that done.
Now what we're going to do is anybody who wants to paint their hands, we're going to paint our hands and we're going to lay them on this face of a similar idea, but lay your hands on the face of this tree. This tree is signifying overclearing, okay? Oh no, there you go.
Is that good? Do we want more blue on our hands, or are they
Are we
good?
feeling good?
Yeah,
You're going to have to lie down,
Okay.
buddy, on your tummy.
he'll have to lie down and
You're going to
put
have
his
to lie
hands.
down next to Chris.
There you go.
Could you put your hands?
Lie down on the
Everybody
floor and
move
then
your
lie
hand
on
in
the
so
floor. Put your hand on the
our
tree.
little friend can put his hands right here. And you lie down on your
Perfect. Lie on
belly.
your tummy.
I'm going to look
Like Chris.
That's it.
All the way.
Well, you've got dinosaurs.
He represents the future generation. Now we're going to take
Dinosaurs already extinct.
This is very beautiful, you know. It's looking gorgeous. Don't you think?